What I'd like you to do now is to pause the video and try the you try questions. And then when you're done, come back and we will take them up. So pause the video now and try those, please. All right, so we'll take these up now. To start with question 1. The question is asking what's the probability that a person eats garlic bread, spaghetti, and Diet Coke? So that's your let statement. So let A be eating garlic bread, spaghetti, and Diet Coke. So out of the 5 appetizers, there's only one choice, which is garlic bread. Out of the 6 main courses, there's only one choice, which is spaghetti. And out of the 8 beverages, there's only one choice, which is the Diet Coke. So that turns out to be 1 out of 240. For question 2, it's asking what's the probability that the word begins and ends with a vowel? So that's what your let statement is. On the bottom, there are 7 factorial ways of arranging all the letters. On the top is the condition, which is what the let statement is. So the first and the last letter must be a vowel. So there's 2 vowels. So the first letter has 2 choices, and the last letter then has 1 choice. After that, there's 5 letters left, and they can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. So the vowels can be arranged in 2 factorial ways, and the rest of them can be arranged in 5 factorial ways out of the total of 7 factorial ways, which is approximately 0.248. Doesn't matter if you answer as a fraction or a decimal, but if you answer as a rounded decimal, you need to use the word approximately in your therefore statement. For the third one, it's asking for the probability that they are all men or all women. So that's going to be your let statement, that they are going to be all men or all women. So if they're all men, if they're all women, there are 5 women. We're going to choose 4 of them. If they're all men, there's 7 men. We're going to choose 4 of them. And on the bottom is the total with no restrictions. So there are a total of 12 people, and we're going to choose 4 of them with no restrictions. That works out to 8 over 99. And lastly, the question is asking what's the probability that there are 2 women, 2 men, Janice, who is a woman, must go, and Carl, who is a man, cannot go. So that's what your let statement is going to be. So for your probability, this is Janice. We have to choose her, which means there's 4 other women, because there was 5 women in total. There's 4 other women to choose 1 more, because with Janice, you need 1 more woman to make the 2 women. This is Carl. We don't want to choose him, which means we still need 2 men. But since we can't choose Carl, we need to take him out of the mix. So instead of 7 men, now there's only 6 men. And that's out of a total of 12 people. We're going to choose 4 of them. Probability of 4 over 33. So if you have any questions, you can make note of it and ask your teacher the next day.